Hey everyone! If you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop that delivers solid performance for everyday tasks, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 laptop, a compact and reliable machine that's perfect for students, professionals, and casual users. And guess what? I've got a special deal for you. Check out the affiliate link in the description below to grab this laptop at the best price available. Also, if you love tech reviews and exclusive deals, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a lightweight and affordable laptop designed to handle everyday computing needs like web browsing, document editing, video streaming, and even light multitasking. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, making it great for watching videos or working on projects with a clear and vibrant screen. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. This laptop is powered by the Intel Celeron N4500 processor, which, when paired with 20 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, ensures smooth performance for day-to-day tasks. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, taking online classes, or even streaming Netflix, this laptop won't let you down. Additional features include Windows 11 Home for a modern and user-friendly interface, Wi-Fi 6 support, faster and more stable internet connectivity, numeric keypad, perfect for professionals and students who deal with numbers, HDMI port SD card reader, making it easy to connect external devices. Battery life is always a major concern for laptop users, and the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 doesn't disappoint. With up to 8 hours of battery life, you can confidently use this laptop for a full work or school day without constantly searching for an outlet. Students who need a lightweight laptop for assignments and online classes. Office workers looking for an affordable yet efficient device. Casual users who just want to browse the web, stream videos, or handle simple tasks. However, if you need a laptop for heavy gaming or professional video editing, this might not be the best choice. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 laptop is a fantastic choice for those who want an affordable, efficient, and portable machine for everyday use. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, click the affiliate link in the description to check out the latest price and deals. And remember, your purchase through our affiliate link helps support the channel, allowing us to bring you more great reviews. So, what do you think of the Lenovo IdeaPad 1? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.